Alright, we're in the car. We're at Cockermouth Forest, Mount Crosby, and it is so hot and humid outside, and it's only 4:45 in the morning. I don't know what the hell is going on, but it's been like this over 2 months already, just hot and humid every day, every friggin' day. Alright, let me calm down. Alright, we're going to try and, we're going to hit Bald Knob. It's supposed to be really nice there, nice view. Mount Crosby, we're going to come around, and back. We might do this map. This has an extra part on it. See that cliff loop? If I have enough energy. Okay, now, I've been running out of energy, I noticed. So what I bought was, yes, 5-hour energy drink. When you feel down, drink this, and you'll speed your ass off. I'm afraid of this stuff, man. Anybody drink any of this stuff? I'm scared I'm going to have a friggin' heart attack if I drink this. I don't know, I bought it because I noticed on the way down, I usually start burning out, but, like, you know, I'm not hurting. It's just I have no energy. It's not the Lyme disease. I always had that problem when they go, like, past 4 miles. So I'm going to try drinking half of this. We'll see what happens. If I get a heart attack, well, whatever. Alright, let's get dressed. Put plenty of bug repellent on. They're hitting the window like crazy. They want to get in. And let's see what we can see here. Alright. Alright, we're all dressed. Sprayed down. Man, I got so much bug spray on me. You got to spray everything. My babushka here even got, you know, you got to spray that down too. I'm not getting bit again. I'm not. Alright, what do we got here now? Let's see. Alright, we're gonna, looks like we're gonna go through here. Alright. Man, the bugs are flying by my ear. All I hear is man, look how dried up. Look how dried up everything is. Look at it. This is supposed to be a rambling brook. Said in the book. Get off. Friggin' bugs are all over. Man, I hate friggin' bugs. Damn it. Alright. Here we go. Right after that bridge and where you park, it's only enough room for like 2 or 3 cars. You come to this sign here. Look at the lens is all steamed up. It's so humid out, my God. I guess I'm right there. I don't know, I'm going to use what I got, my map. I'm not going to take one of these trail maps. Oh, look at the high grass. Here we go. Walk around it. Alright, sorry I got granola in my mouth. Alright, we're at 0.37 miles. And I see a yellow blaze here and a turn to the east, which we're supposed to do. See, I was walking north right there. But you see the ledger? Half a mile. The guy walked far enough to make that right. Huh. Well, let's do it. I think so. Yes. Yeah, according to the ledger, that's under a half a mile. Plus the GPSs really aren't that right. Let's see. Wait, there's a sign coming up. Hold up. Alright, old. Wait, here, look. Old North Groton Road. Let me check all the information I brought and make sure I'm going the right way. Okay, good thing I brought this other map. See, it says Old North Groton Road. 0.4 miles. Excuse me for rambling. It's the ramblings of an old, confused man. Oh yeah, that's right. I have Lyme disease. I have an excuse now for my ramblings and my confusion. That's right. Yeah, I mean Lyme disease. It really messes up with your head. You know, it really does with a lot of people. I don't know if it is with me. I've always been a confused man. I still blame the 70s. Alright, this way. Alright, at 0.45, we come to this little makeshift bridge here. How's it look? Sturdy? Yeah, okay. Oh, man, there's so many things crawling on me. Hey, there's some water in this thing. Look at this. Well, I don't know if you can tell, it's really dark. Hey, I don't have to worry about the sun anymore. I'm off those pills. Man, those pills, wow. Man, they really mess with your stomach too. Wow. Okay, looks like we're coming up to some climbing here. Good. Let's make up some elevation here. Yeah, right up. Okay, we'll come up to an incline. Slow down. You know, I'm like this. I don't know why I'm doing this. Why am I running? Slow down. It's a hot day. You have nowhere to go. You're a man with nothing to do in his life but hike. Okay, slow down. Alright, we're at 0.72. My glasses are totally fogged up from the humidity. This is one of the worst days of humidity I think I've ever felt. I can't even see the map. I can't see anything because my glasses are so fogged up. And if I take my glasses off, I can't see. You know what we're gonna do? We're not doing what the plan was. I'm just gonna go to Bald Knob. There's supposed to be really killer views from there. Let's go there, check out the views, and then we'll backtrack it. And we'll come back here when the weather is cooler and the humidity is lower, you know what I mean? And I'll do the whole thing again. Yeah, it's insane out here, man. It really is. It's just, you can't breathe. Alright, let's go to Bald Knob. Well, here we go. Walking through high vegetation. It's another reason why I think maybe we should make this another day. This is one of those trails. I hope I got enough bug spray on. Ah. Oh man, really, this way? Yes, Dan, I am complaining and whining this time. I have every reason to. Look at how high it is. This can't be the trail. It is the trail. Ah, man. Alright. See, I was going by the map. You had 0.4, 0.3, and 0.3. That makes 1 mile, right? My GPS, that's why I always say my GPS. They're not really always that accurate on mileage. They're accurate getting you back to point A. That's the main great part about them. But I got 1.06 miles to make this turn here. Alright, let's do it. Alright, right after that turn we just made, about 50 yards, you come to this sign. Alright, so 0.4 miles. Right there, Bald Knob. Yeah, we'll do, that's all we're going to do today. It's just way too nasty out here today. Alright, looks like we're going to do some climbing. It's about time. I mean, we've been climbing, yeah, but really not at a big pace, you know, big clip. But this, okay, this looks like it goes like this. That's nice. Alright, we got to make up about 500 feet somewhere, and this looks like the spot. Alright, wait a second. I got to take a break. Wow, that was a steep section right there. Wouldn't be bad if it wasn't so humid out. That's why it's taking my breath away. I don't know, did I mention it was humid out? I love you guys, man. But seriously, if it wasn't so humid, this wouldn't be that. Well, yeah, it's steep. I mean, look. All right. We have 100 more feet to make up, and you have to do that in about 1/10 of a mile. So let's go onward. All right, I think we are here. Yeah. All right, let me get to over there. I'll be right back. All right, we are here. Okay, looks like I have a bunch of spots I can run around to and show you. Yeah, let's look this way first. Look at these wind turbines, man, damn. They're like all over New Hampshire. I know they help out, but I mean, man, they just ruin the scenery. It's like the hill that Jesus was crucified on, remember? All the crucifixes there. Man, that is ugly. What are you gonna do? Oh, it's a bit of a breeze here. Alright, let me take my backpack off, eat something, drink some water, and I'll show you over there. That way, that is, let's see. That would be south. Alright, so this is east. I'll try and get something north. I ain't going anymore, screw that. I'm really burnt out. And going back is going to be really touchy-feely on the way down, man. I do not want to slip. But this place looks like there's a whole bunch of areas for me to play around and show you things. Alright, so let's take the backpack off and I'll be right back. You know what, I tried to go over there. It just drops right down, so I think the view is better if I stand back more. Because when you get up close, it seems to get more trees seem to be in the way. I don't know why. I mean, it should be the same amount of trees. But this is definitely a better view from here. I took a video standing on the edge of that cliff right there. I really couldn't see much. I can't really see much here. The sun is in my way. That's Newfound Lake right there. Trying to get all different angles for you. Look at the humidity in the air. Did I mention that it's humid out? I mean, you can see it. I don't even know if I can't tell the sky and where the sky and mountains meet. What a sucky day, man. And all I hear is that's all I hear right now. Alright. Let's get away from the crucifixes here and let's see if we can find another spot. Oh, wait, here's a... Oh wait, cool. Let me see if I can get there without hurting any of this stuff here. I don't like to step on vegetation. Oh, this looks like a good shot. Hold up. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is a nice ledge. Wait. Hold up. I want to give you guys only the best. Alright, wait, let me walk a little bit more down here. Wait. Oh, yeah, wait, okay, wait. Alright. See, you gotta poke around a little bit. There's a Newfound Lake at the bottom. Oh, my stomach is rumbling. I gotta eat. See, there's the lake. If you can see it through the humidity, I mean, it's really humid. I don't know if I mentioned that. Alright, that's getting played out. Alright, enough with the humidity jokes. But it is, it's really humid. It sucks. I would do the whole loop if it wasn't for the humidity. I really would. Ah, the breeze feels so good, man. Oh, man. Oh, that feels so good. I'm sure you can hear it. Ah. There's a drip of sweat running down the crack of my ass. Dry up. I tell you guys everything, man. Alright, hold up. Alright, I think that's it. Alright, well, hey, thanks for coming along on this very, no, I'm not going to say it, on this very warm day in New Hampshire. Bald knob, which I wish I had. I should cut my hair off for this kind of weather. Alright guys, thanks for coming along, thanks for watching. Hope we had some laughs. Now, alright, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.